welcome to another episode of Literacy with Miss Lee and Moby. In today's episode, you are going to be learning a brand new spelling rule, and it is called the Floss Rule. No, not this floss, not this floss, but the spelling rule floss. In order to understand the spelling rule, the floss rule, I need you to do me a favor and just memorize one sentence for me. Can you do that for me? Can you memorize one sentence? Oh, I'm sure you can. Listen carefully. Here is the sentence. Jeff will pass Buzz. Let's try that again. Jeff will pass Buzz. Easy, huh? Let me write it for you. Jeff will pass Buzz. Let's reread the sentence. Jeff will pass Buzz. Good, you've memorized that already. You're so smart. Now, I know you're wondering, Miss Lee, Moby, what does Jeff passing Buzz have to do with the floss rule? Well, actually, this sentence is going to help you remember what it is. So, in the floss rule, it states that in a word that has a short vowel and it's followed by an F, an L, an S, or a Z, you have to double that last letter. Let me say that again. In a word that has a short vowel sound and it's followed by the letter F, L, S, or Z, you have to double that letter. So, let me test your vocabulary. Do you remember that video when I was telling you what symbol you need to use in order to know if the vowel is going to have a short or a long sound? Do you remember? Yeah, perfect. It's a breve. So I'm going to go ahead and put the breve that tells me that the vowel is short in these words just as a reference. My E is short. There's my breve. My I is short. There's my breve. My A. There's my breve. And my U. And let's underline the letters that come after it. Jeff will pass Buzz. So, in a word that has a short vowel followed by an F, L, S, or Z, you're going to double that last letter. Let's practice. Put your thinking caps on. And I want you to tell me the phonemes. Do you remember what that meant? Moby, do you think they remember? Surely they do. The phonemes, the sounds that you hear in this word. The word is mess. Say mess. Say mess. Now, tell me the phonemes you hear in the word mess. S. You hear 3 phonemes. What's that medial sound, the middle sound that you hear in that word mess? S. That medial sound you hear, it's a short E, and it's followed by a S. sound. So I immediately know, thanks to my floss rule, that S is going to have to doubled when I write it down. So now I am going to write the graphemes that represent the phonemes we just said. Are you ready? Eh. Don't forget that breathe. Oh! My S in Jeff will pass buzz. Short E, I have to double the last letter. Mess. Let's try one more just to practice. Are you ready for this one? I want you to tell me the phonemes you hear in the word chill. Say chill. Say chill. Good. Now tell me the phonemes. Ch. Eh. Oh. Chill. Do you hear that medial sound that makes the eh sound? Good. So eh, it's short. It ends in a So that means that is going to be doubled. So what digraph makes the ch sound? Just a note, a digraph is two words. I'm sorry, it's two letters that you can't separate, but they make one sound. We'll talk about that one later. But what digraph makes the ch sound? CH, good. Ch. Eh. Let me add that breathe. Ooh. And because of that floss rule, Jeff will pass buzz. Short vowel, double the L. So there you have it, boys and girls. That is our floss rule. I want you on the comments to write 2 words for me, okay? So let's see. I want you to spell the word jazz. Jazz. And I want you to spell the word stuff. Stuff. So write it down in your comments below and I will say hello to the first comment that I see. So that is our lesson for today. Come back next week when you're going to learn about a whole new spelling rule. Thank you so much. Say bye. Gracias. Thank you for coming. Hasta luego.